They say cruising is nothing but working on stuff in paradise, your boat, your dinghy, whatever. And a lot of that's true. And today is dinghy repair day. Let me show you what we got going on. Here we are in the Exumas, Georgetown. Literally paradise. Oh my God, look at that water. And today's dinghy repair day. We have our dinghy semi hanging off the back of the boat because you can see this side's deflated. That rear quarter, it's got an air leak. You can see where I've put some patches on it, but still got an air leak. But another problem is the floor panels. That longitudinal brace, a little channel you see right there, has come loose from that side up underneath and allowing the floor panels to flex independently. And we got to fix all that. So we got to take it over here to the beach, where we're going to beach it, deflate it, pull the panels out, clean it all out, fix the air leak, put it all back together. And that's our project for today. Okay, we're on the beach. I've got the boat cleaned out. You can see the floorboards moving with the waves because that one rail there is in place, but these other three come off. So I got to deflate the boat about 3/4 of the way, pull the panels out, clean the bottom out. I think there's a leak under there somewhere for that panel over there, or that tube over there. Epiphany is right there floating in paradise, and I'm on the beach working on the dinghy in paradise. So let's get this chore done. All right, got the seats out. She's mostly deflated. Now we can pull the floor panels out. Yeah, I got the back floor panels out. Just going to pull the front one out, and then I'm going to inflate the side that leaks and see if it's got a leak underneath there along the floor panels. I suspect that's where it's at. We'll see. Well, we filled the boat with soapy water. Checked all along the underneath. There's no leaks under there. It's that round patch right there that's still leaking. So I'm going to pull that off and fix that. But I still had to do this to fixed floorboards. So let's get this done. And there we go. As always, success, because failure is not an option out here. Failure is never an option. So we just got to fix that one leak. I have to pull that patch off. It's a double patch. The first one leaked too, and fix that. The floorboards are in and we're all loaded up, and now we're going to go to Coconut Club and have us a beer.